Good day. Myself Srividya. I am currently undergoing internship with Spark Foundation on data science and business analytics. Today I am going to take you through on task number 5, that is to perform exploratory data analysis in Indian Premier League. I have been provided with complete data sets like playing teams, players, ball by ball analysis for each game of IPL tournament held between 2008 to 2019. Our task on hand is to prepare a dashboard or storyboard, and we have to find out and suggest the most successful players or team so a company can endorse their products upon. And we have to specify the contributing factors over win or loss of a team. I have used Python and Jupyter Notebook to perform this EDA. Let me take you through my analysis. First step is to load the data into the data frame by importing these necessary libraries. It's to consolidate the overall match details provided as part of a dataset. We have two datasets. First is entire match details, listing the teams participated, venue, toss decision, match result, and man of the match, etc. The second dataset consists of ball-by-ball analysis of all the matches played in the season. As a part of initiating the EDA, we need to identify the columns which has more null values. And it can be ignored as it influences less on the match results. Here, umpire 3 data column has more than 60% null values, hence it can be ignored. Similarly, player dismissal, dismissal kind and fielder columns can also be ignored. It can be done by using the simple imputer function. Now, the data set does not contain any null values and is ready to initiate the EDA. Below table shows the number of individual matches won by a team across the seasons. Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super Kings are the top winners and they win by runs. Here, Kolkata Knight Riders and Royal Challengers Bangalore tops the list and they win by wickets. Next table shows batsman individual scores. SK Reina tops this list. Next is score analysis over 20 overs of the match. Across this, most runs scored are in the 18th over. This table shows the number of runs scored across innings of a match. Seems the team batting first has always scored more runs. Third, fourth and fifth inning comes into effect only in case of tying scores. Next, we are going to analyze the factors influencing win or loss of a team. All the columns are negatively correlated with win by runs and win by wickets. It seems the team batting first wins most of the cases. It shows the same correlation in the heat map here. This is graphical view of the same correlation as we said above. In the second data set, the batsman runs column is the most positively correlated with total runs and the inning column is most negatively correlated with the total runs. So our target total runs is mostly depends based on these two factors. that is batsman run and win innings. Now I am going to take you through the dashboard visualization storyboard of the IPL seasons. Starting with most match winning team pie chart, Mumbai Indians have winning ratio of 15% followed by Chennai Super Kings with 13.2%. Next is analysis of most wins by a team batting first. Again, Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super Kings tops the list. Moving with most wins of a team chasing the target is Gujarat Lions and Kochi Tuskers Kerala. Up next, we are going to show how much of an effect of match result is correlated with winning the toss. Analysis shows that most of the teams who wins the toss elects to bat, their winning percentage is more compared to electing to bowl. Mumbai Indians and CSK ranks top 2 in this list. Next is other way around. Winning the toss and choosing to bowl. Regarding the overall match analysis, most matches has a normal result, win or loss, and probability of tie and no result is very less. Next is Player of Match award winning individuals. Analysis shows Chris Gayle has won 25 times followed by AB de Villiers, Dhoni, Warner and Sehwag. Next graph also indicates that Chris Gayle and AB de Villiers has won more player of the matches whether their team bats first or second. Next is most matches win ratio by winning toss and choosing to bowl or bat. Here, Mumbai Indians and Kings Punjab has more win ratio when they elect to field first after winning the toss, whereas CSK win comes from the first batting after winning the toss. Next shows most appearances by on-field umpires. Dharmashena, Ashad Rauf, Shamsuddin, Ravi and Simon Taffel has more stand-ins compared to other umpires. This graph shows number of matches held across the seasons. From 2011 to 2013 has seen more number of matches. This graph indicates that most number of runs scored in an over of an innings from 18th over to 20th over sees most runs scored. Next is the most of matches held in a venue. Mumbai, Kolkata and Delhi has hosted more number of matches. This graph shows that batsman run is the most influencing factor for the total runs. If it increases, the total runs will also get increase. This graph indicates that most number of runs given by a team while bowling. Delhi Capitals and Gujarat Lions tops the list here. This concludes the exploratory data analysis for this task on IPL match. Thanks for the opportunity.